Here's a Google Pixel 11. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. It's also the same for the Google Pixel 11 Pro as well. So first thing is turn it on. Press and hold that power, keep holding until it boots up. Once it boots up, you should be here. We can go ahead and tap right here. Choose your language. I'm going to go with English in the US. Now it says here, set up using another device to copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet. Keep it nearby or unlock. So if you want to do it that way, you have another Pixel phone or Android phone, iPhone, iPad, or tablet, you can do it that way. But for myself, I'm going to do a clean, fresh install on this phone. So I'm going to tap on skip. Skip. Now I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi to get that latest update. That's my Wi-Fi right there. Let's put in my password. I just entered my Wi-Fi password. Let me tap on connect here. Obtaining IP address. Okay, it said it's connected. Now just wait here a moment. It's moving. Who are you setting up this phone for? For yourself, for your child, for this one? This is for myself. I'll tap on myself right there. Here's your sign in to your Google, your Gmail account. You can sign in now. You can sign in later. You can even create an account. For myself, I'm just going to sign in another time. I'll tap on skip. And then we have continue to set up. Let's tap down there. Connect to a mobile network so we can set up an eSIM. We can do it now or we can do it after setup. If you want to do it now, just tap on set up eSIM and wait for it to populate here. And then confirm your network from here. If you don't have it there, click down here, use a different SIM. All right. But anyway, I'm going to go back. And for myself, like I said, I'll skip this. I'll do this another time after setup. Set up a PIN password. It could be 4-digit or 6 digits. So go ahead and choose some digits. All right, I just typed it in. Let me tap on next. Let me reconfirm one more time. And I'll tap on confirm. Set up fingerprint password. Go ahead and scroll all the way down. You can go no thanks and do it later, or you can do it now. For myself, I'm going to do it now. I'm going to tap on agree right there. And when you're on your screen, next we're going to go down here. We're going to tap on start. And then you want to put whatever finger you want on here. Just kind of press down. You feel like feel it vibrate. So just keep going on there. Touch, lift finger. Just wait till this goes all the way around. Okay, so now we added one fingerprint. You can add another fingerprint if you wish now, or you can do it later as well. Okay, but I'm good with one for now. Click on next. Set up face unlock, basically a Face ID password. Scroll all the way down. You can go no thanks and never do it, or no thanks and do it later, or you can agree now and just do it now. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and do it right now. So I'm going to tap on start, and I'm going to go ahead and look in here and kind of roll my head around. It's kind of hard because I got the camera right here. Okay, looks good. I'm going to tap on next. Google services, use location. These are optional. Allow scanning. Go ahead and read through all these. I'm fine with having all those toggled on. I will tap on accept. Here's limited warranty information. You can look through that if you wish. For myself, I'm just going to tap on next. Additional legal terms. Go ahead and read through all that. If you agree, tap on accept. Get peace of mind. Go ahead and read through this. Go all the way down. Tap on next. Review additional apps that's going to be downloaded. So you can go ahead and uncheck whatever one you don't want or leave whatever one on there. So I mean, for me, I don't want I never use this Gemini notebook. I'll just uncheck that, and I'm fine with the rest of these. I'll take off journal too, and I'll tap on okay, getting your phone ready. Now here's a tutorial on how to navigate the phone. I would suggest if you're not used to this phone, go ahead and try on tutorial. If not, just tap on skip right there. It looks like we're ready, and it says down here swipe up. So I'm going to swipe up, and voila. We're in business, guys. Pretty simple.